Hi, in this video today, we would like to see the unboxing of the SONOFF Orb-MW2. Okay, so this is a metal-enabled device, and this is the model. So this is a metal over Wi-Fi double smart wall switch. Okay, so this is the Fusion series. This is a Fusion series, and you can download the apps here. So you can download the E-Link app from, you can Google EW or from Google Play and also from App Store. And behind here, you have some detail here. So this is the ORB-MW2 metal over Wi-Fi double smart wall switch. So this has a metal compatibility, smart schedule, smart scene, and also voice control. And here are some of the models. So this is a mini, the model is Mini 2G SE. So it has the support for Wi-Fi. And this is the rating. The rating is 110 to 240 volt and 50-60 hertz. And it's a 10 ampere gang. It's a total of 16 ampere max resistive load. Okay, so it's from SONOFF. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Okay, we can open here. Okay. So this is the device. So you have here, let's see what else is inside here. So you'll get a screw. You'll get a screw. And then you have the manual, quick guide. You get a quick guide. And here's the Fusion series overview. So it's just like a small pamphlet. Oh, so you can print from the Bamboo Lab also. It's the print 3D accessories via Makeover. So you have that option also. Right. So that's what you'll get inside this box. If you're buying this is what you will get inside the SONOFF if you're buying the Orb-MW2. So now let's see the switch. So this is the actual device. Okay, so this is a dual gang. So you can see it's a button here if you can hear the sound. Okay, and behind here is the device. Okay, so let's look at the actual device. So this is the double smart wall switch. It's the model. So you have a live input, live, neutral. This one is for live 1, and this is for live 2, and this is for the switch 1, the front switch. If you are attaching for the switch, this is switch 1 and switch 2. So in the next video, we shall see how we can wire this up and how the function it is. And another one I want to show you is the manual. So as always, the manual is quite good. So you can always refer to the manual on how to install this. So in the next video, I will walk you through on how to install this device at your home. Alright, thank you for watching this unboxing video. See you in the next video. Thank you and bye-bye.